and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. World Youth Day Don Bosco 23rd. The organization responsible for calling and participating young people from the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM, in the World Youth Day, WYD in Lisbon 2023, has announced the opening of registrations at World Championship for young people from Salesian backgrounds. The young people of the SYM are called to participate in the WYD, and the pilgrims enrolled in WYD Don Bosco 23rd will be hosted in Salesian houses or in families linked to the Salesian pastoral communities of the Lisbon region. The enrollment process will be divided into 3 phases. In the first place, enrollment takes place through a form which will be made available by the SYM Center or by the Salesian house frequented by the young people. Subsequently, the local pastoral coordinator will send the registrations to the designated provincial responsible, who will register the group at WYD Don Bosco 23. At the end of this process, the WYD Don Bosco 23 Secretariat team will validate the data received and continue the registration process directly with the organization of WYD Lisbon 2023. On the 30th of November, the 24th National Course for Catholic Religion Teachers IRC opened at the San Tommaso Theological Institute in Messina, approved by the National Service for the Teaching of Religion Cattolica of the Italian Episcopal Conference CEI, and recognized by the Ministry of Education of the Italian Republic, coordinated by Professor Don Antonio Romano and the team of the Giovanni Cravotta Center for Religious Pedagogy. There are about 100 participants, and they come from various parts of Italy and from the Diocese of Messina. The 24th course, in accordance with the directives issued by the Ministry of Education, is aimed at the professional updating of teachers of the Catholic region. The Ceferino Namuncura Salesian School number 8015 is located in the north of Argentina, precisely in the province of Salta capital, together with the parish vicariate and the Salesian Youth Movement. The school manages to daily assist 1,250 boys, girls and young people who live in vulnerable contexts. Through its school projects, it seeks to promote the well-being of the planet, the common home, inviting children from an early age to take part in this environmental responsibility through different activities. The school is committed to a triple impact point education, family gardens, clean energy and children as explosive agents of ecological conversion. More than 360 youth received nutritional support at Don Bosco Kanzabola, located in Lubumbashi, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Thanks to donor funding from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. Youth benefiting from this food were ages 6 to 22. Many are in secondary school and college, as well as 82 young Salesians studying at Don Bosco Kanzabola. Single mothers from the villages also received this donation. The goal was to provide ongoing balanced nutrition for young Salesians and other vulnerable youth. Don Bosco Kanzabola also has a 44-hectare farm that supplies food for the Salesian Formation House and to the village nearby. Since its beginning, Don Bosco Kanzabola has provided young Salesians with philosophy education and has given them shelter and nutritional support while at the school. Villagers living near Don Bosco Kanzabola have used the farm to cultivate food for themselves and the community. In October and November 2022, the first series of missionary animation meetings took place in the schools of the Warsaw Province PLE. The meetings are organized in collaboration with the Salesian Mission Center and led by volunteers Carmen Jayo Torres and Shakuranta Perara, who arrived in Poland a few months ago from the far corners of the world to engage in Salesian volunteering for children and youth. Carmen comes from Peru and Shakuranta from Sri Lanka. The first school they visited was in Sokolo, Polaski. Carmen and Shaku introduced the students to the geography and culture, language and religion of their countries. They talked about daily life and customs, food and music in Peru and Sri Lanka. Another unusual and interesting meeting was that with the students of the Salesian Music School in Lutomirs. Much attention was paid to the musical instruments that are most popular in Peru. Carmen performed several places on the Samponia, including one of the most popular El Condor Pasa. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.